This is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C programming. In this video tutorial, we're going to see the fputs function in C, and we're going to write a string value or a string to the file. Before beginning writing our program, we're going to see the syntax of this fputs function. It's going to be fputs, that stands for put this string to the file. Then we have to pass the string, so that's going to be in double quotes. This is the string that we want to write to the file. Then we have to pass the file pointer. So this is a pointer obtained when we open the file. So we're gonna begin writing our code. So since we are dealing with the file, we need a file pointer. It's gonna be file, then we're gonna call it star pf. So this pf is the file pointer. So now first we need to open the file, and this fopen is gonna return the address of the structure of type file, and we need to store it in the pointer pf. That's why we are writing pf equal to fopen, the name of the file. Let's say anil.txt, and since we want to write to the file, we're gonna open it with a w. So now if this fopen can open that anil.txt file, then it's gonna return the address of the structure which is stored in this pf pointer. So if this fopen fails, then it's gonna return a null value. Now we're gonna checking whether that file opened successfully or not by using this if statement. That's gonna be if and pf equal to null. If it is null, then the file was not opened successfully. We're gonna say printf. We're gonna say unable to open the file. That's it. Now else, which means our file has opened successfully, then we want to use this fputs function, and we want to write to the file. So first we have to specify the string that we want to write to the file. So in this tutorial, what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask a user to enter some contents to write to the file. For that purpose, we need a character array. It's going to be char input, and let's define the size of 25. So we have to input the string with a length less than 25. So now here we're gonna ask the user to enter a string. Enter a string to write to the file. A new line, then get as function, and we're gonna specify the location. It's gonna be input, save. So now our input character array has the string entered by the user, and now we have to use this fputs function, and we have to write the content to the file. So first it's gonna be the string, so that's gonna be the input character array. Then we have to pass the file pointer. It's gonna be our pf. So this is it, and then we're gonna say okay, the data has successfully returned to that file. Control V, and we're gonna say data has written successfully. So the last thing we have to do is we have to close this file. It's going to be fclose. Then the pointer is going to be pf. So save it, compile it, and run it. Okay, enter the string to write to the file. So I'm going to say hi, I'm Anil Shetty. Hit enter. It says data has written successfully. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to open my anil.txt. So as you can see here, hi, I'm Anil Shetty. So I'm going to close it, and I'm going to run it again. So this time I'm going to write hello, how are you? So hit enter. It says data has written successfully. Close it and open anil.txt. So it says hello, how are you? So make a note that whatever we are writing, that is erasing the previous content. That is because we are opening the file in write mode. So if you want to append to the file, then you have to use this mode as A. So that's it. Save it, compile and run it. We're gonna say cool, man. Okay, that has it done successfully. Close, open it. So it says hello, how are you? Then I included a space when I inputting the string. That's why we have a space here. Then cool, man. So this is it. This is about the fputs function in C. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.